Okay guys, what's up? It's Hackerboy, and today I'm going to show you how to make a fake Windows error message. You will either have to have Notepad or Notepad++. You will pretty much have to have Notepad++ in all of my videos, although you can use Notepad. I just like Notepad++ because it has like different languages that you can do it. You can do a batch language, the VBS language, which is what we'll be using today, and it's got the converter, and so everything. I'll post a download link in the description. And basically what a VBS file is this. This is really all it is. It can't hurt your computer. All it is really to trick people. You can make them to where they do stuff. But I'm not today. I'm just showing you how to make like one for pranks or whatever. Okay, first of all, open up Notepad and set your language, if you haven't already done so, as VB. Now type in x equals message box, and don't spell message box, it's MSGBOX. Kind of weird, but okay. Now put a parentheses and then a quotation mark right after that. I mean quotations, not quotation mark. And now this, what you're about to type now, will be what this says in the box. Okay. Which right now. Okay, and then after you type whatever, put another quotation, quotations, and then put comma, and what you're about to put right here is going to be your options, like your yes and no, and the sound it makes when it pops up. Don't know if you guys could hear it when it popped up. Let me turn my, I hope you could hear that. This is the information noise. Let's see, I've got it somewhere in here. Okay, see, this is a list of all the commands that it does. Like, if you want the info message with just yes and no, you would type in, which is what I'm going to do right now, 64 plus 4, and then another comma. You don't have to do 2, you can only do 1. Like, you could just do the yes and no or the retry and whatever. You can even just do a sound and it'll set the buttons to default. Okay, and now go over and put another quotations. And this will be the title of the message box. Like right here, mine says system cleanup. That's what it'll be. Okay, and after you do that, put another set of quotations after it and an ending parentheses. Okay, once you do that, I'll give you a second just in case you're like type slow, like, because yeah. Okay, now go down and type in if. No offense if you type slow. I used to type like really slow. Now go down and type if x space equals space. Don't type in space, I'm telling you to actually space it. Equals 6, the number 6, which stands for the yes button. Then now go down a line, message box, and parentheses, quotation, and this again will be whatever's in the box. Okay, and on the part you'll put an ending parentheses after this. On the top line, like the very first one, you don't have to put it after the message and the title, only at the beginning and end. But once you get down to the ifs and the else ifs, which is what we'll do in just a minute, you have to put it after the before and after the title and before and after the message. Okay, now go and put comma, and I'm doing 0 because it means okay. It stands for okay. I'll post this in the description too, that way you guys will know what it says. Like what each number does. Okay, now put another parentheses and then the quotation and title it. And put the end parentheses. Okay, now this is when we're going to do the else if. Go down a line, type in else if x equals 7. 7, you may have already guessed, is for no. And then type then. The only difference between what we're about to do and what we just done is it says else if. That's the only difference. Go down, message box, parentheses, quotation, whatever you want in the box. And then the comma, the button that you want. I'm gonna put 0 for this as well. Oh, I almost forgot. Put the parentheses after the first quotation for the message. Okay, parentheses, quotation, the title, and once you do all that, go down and type end if. Go down another line, type in end else if, and I'll give you guys a minute to look at this just in case you need to do something. I'll zoom in again. Okay, now save as, and the reason I'm not clicking file and all is because I know a lot of the keyboard shortcuts, so yeah. Okay, name it whatever you want. And make sure your save as type is Visual Basic file. Make sure it ends with VBS, not just VB, because if you do VB, it stands for Visual Basic, and it will try and open it with, if you have Visual Basic programming language on your computer, it will try and open it with that. So make sure you do VBS. And save, minimize, and we'll test it. Here it is. Line 7. Okay, I done something wrong. Oh, okay. I don't think I was supposed to put end else if. Okay, guys. I'm so sorry about that. You're not supposed to put end else if. I wasn't completely sure about that, so I was making for sure because it has been a while since I've done a .vbs file, so okay, but here it is. Would you like your files to be deleted? Yes! Deleting, and see there's the title and the message. So, okay, yeah, that's pretty much how to make a fake Windows error message. I hope you guys liked it. Invite your friends, and like me on Facebook. I'll put that in the description, and yeah, thanks.